Squarespace also has a built-in scheduling system that you can use if you are not interested in using a third-party scheduling tool. Simply click on scheduling here, and here you will be able to manage all of your scheduling systems. So please note that this is also an added subscription on top of your baseline Squarespace subscription plan for your website. At the moment in this view, usually it comes with a free trial to let you play with it to see if it's the right fit for you. So in this example, we have a trial going on so that you can see how the back end looks to see if it's the right fit for you. So here we have a calendar view as well as this section here. You can filter off by figuring out your availability as well as creating appointment types and then adding the scheduler onto your system, and then lastly syncing it with your other calendars. Let's say you have a Gmail calendar. So in the left-hand side, you can fully customize it. It's super awesome, and it's really, really good if you want to keep everything within the Squarespace universe and not figuring out other tools. So for example, here you have an example of your overview calendar. If you were to click on clients, you're able to import or export some of your clients, and you can manually or automatically import them. If you are a service-based business, you are able to invoice your clients and figure out a way to get paid that way. Here you need to make sure that you connect Stripe, Square, PayPal as a payment processor so that you can actually receive invoice payments. Next we have reports. So here you're able to make a report of all the data, including appointments, revenue, users, any sort of forms, as well as tips and import and exporting ability. So the actual client scheduling page, you're able to actually customize the appearance as well as the link itself. So figuring out what that looks like, you can change the name of the link. So for example, I have havannarose.as.me, and then you can also embed some of the links. So you can embed it on Squarespace, you could have a direct link, you could have a button or a bar, or embed it somewhere else on the internet. Now you can also customize it. So here you have the ability to go through and figure out what it is that you want it to look like so it matches better with your brand. For the business settings, we have a lot of the back-end stuff here. So here you can set your availability. Let's say, for example, you work Monday through Thursday. You can set that time so that people don't block you outside of your business hours. Here you're able to set your appointment types. Let's say you have a 30-minute call, a 60-minute call, these types of things. Here is where you would be able to customize that and make sure that you can put in the necessary details for customers to know what type of appointment that they are booking. If you are a type of service who needs an intake form or a qualifier form, here's a great way to manage that, as well as packages, gifts, and subscriptions. So let's say you have a 10-pack as a package. That's a good way to create that from here. And you can also include gifts and subscriptions. So perhaps it's actually a monthly subscription, or maybe it's a one-time gift. For integrations, here you are able to check out all the different ways in which you can set up with Squarespace, such as accounting, analytics, email marketing, web, etc. You're also able to link up to other calendars, such as Google Calendar, iCloud. So whatever email system you are using, you are able to link that up with Squarespace syncing so that you can get those appointments into your calendar that you're using. Next, we have the payment settings. So make sure that you set up your payment processor as well as how you are capturing payment. Is it when they are booking? Is it going to be after booking, or what that looks like for you? Here is a way to manage that. So it helps you to reduce no-shows as well as helps you to maintain your availability. Through notifications, you are also able to customize how the notifications look like in the email, as well as communications through SMS, if this is something that's available to you. Lastly, we also have booking alerts. So this is a way to receive notifications when appointments or classes are booked from your perspective so that you can manage your appointments better.